Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. I'm a few days late. I've been working on Defember, but now I want to give my attention to these guest checks. We're on prompts 35 and 36, and 35 is yellow, and 36 is an envelope with a window. So let's see what we get with this. Be sure and check out Amy's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag the 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone else has made. There's some very, very talented ladies out there. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here they are. I've got my yellow and I've got my envelope window. I love embossing black cardstock and then going over it with a gold wax. And it says shine brightly, and I just made a journaling card from that. And it goes over a little on the sides, but I really don't mind. I think it gives it character. And on this one, I just added a dangle at the end just to help keep it closed. But I just put a butterfly on my paper, and I got my little Tim Holtz girls. And it says shine like the stars. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. I'll have everything listed in my description box down below. So until next time, bye y'all.